Hello friends, today we have a question to 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 3x which is equal to 10. Here we have an exponential equation and we have to find the value of x. So given equation is 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 3x. We can write it as minus 10 which is equal to 0. Now we know that a raised to the power m whole power n which is equal to a raised to the power mn which is equal to a raised to the power n whole power m. So we will use this exponential rule in second term of this equation which is 2 raised to the power 3x which is of the form of a raised to the power mn, and we can write it as a raised to the power n whole power m. So it will become 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x into 3, 2 raised to the power x whole cube minus 10 which is equal to 0. Here 2 raised to the power x and 2 raised to the power x are same. Let y is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So from here y cube will be equal to 2 raised to the power x whole power 3. Now putting the values of 2 raised to the power x and 2 raised to the power x whole cube here. So it will become y plus y cube minus 10 which is equal to 0. Now it can be written as y cube plus y minus 10 which is equal to 0. Now this plus 1 can be written as it is 1y, so we will write it as minus 4y plus 5y. It is same as 1y. So we will replace y with minus 4y plus 5y. So it will become minus 4y plus 5y minus 10 which is equal to 0. Now we have y is common in first two terms. So we will take y as common. Now y cube divided by y is y square and 4y divided by y is 4. And from here we have 5 is common. 5y divided by 5 is just y and 10 divided by 5 is 2 which is equal to 0. Now y, and we can write it as y square minus 4 can be written as 2 square plus 5 into y minus 2 which is equal to 0. As we know that a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b, a minus b, and here we have a is equal to y and b is equal to 2. So it will become y plus 2, y minus 2 plus 5 into y minus 2 which is equal to 0. Now you can see that here y minus 2 and y minus 2 are same. So we will take common y minus 2. So it will become y plus 2, and from here it will become 5 which is equal to 0. Now here we have two cases that y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y into y plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. So first of all we will simplify this term. So it will become y minus 2 and it will become y square plus 2y plus 5 which is equal to 0. Now we have two cases that y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y square plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. And from here we get y is equal to 2. And from here we will take discriminant which is b square minus 4ac, and here b is 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 5. So it will become 4 minus 20, which is equal to minus 16, and which is less than 0. It's mean it has no real solution. So the value of y is equal to 2, but we know that y is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So y is equal to 2 raised to the power x here. So it will become 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2. Here 2 has no power, it's mean it has power 1. So bases are same. So we will compare its power, and the value of x we get is 1. Now we will check that the value of x will satisfy our given equation or not. So to check, given equation is 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 3x, which is equal to 10, and the value of x is 1. So it will become 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised to the power 3 into 1, which is equal to 10. 2 raised to the power 1 is same as 2, plus 2 raised to the power 3 1 times 3, which is equal to 10. So 2 plus 2 raised to the power 3 is same as 8, which is equal to 10. So from here 10 is equal to 10. Both sides are equal. It's mean the value of x is equal to 1, satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.